Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating your circles. In this video, I will show how to connect circles in Illustrator. First, select the pen tool. Click on an anchor point of one circle, then click on an anchor point of another circle to draw a straight line. For a smoother connection, slightly overlap your circles before drawing the connecting paths. This method is excellent for simple, direct connections between two or more shapes. For more complex connections, the Pathfinder panel is your best friend. After drawing your circles and connecting lines, select all the elements. Open the Pathfinder panel, usually found under the window menu. Click the Unite option. This action will merge all selected shapes and paths into a single, unified object, effectively connecting your circles into one cohesive form. It's a powerful tool for creating intricate designs. If you want a smooth, organic connection, the Blend tool is perfect. Select two circles, then navigate to Object, Blend, and then Make. Illustrator will create a series of intermediate shapes, smoothly transitioning between your two original circles. You can adjust the blend options, such as the number of specified steps or distance, to achieve your desired visual effect. This technique is ideal for creating flowing, continuous designs. After using the Blend tool, you might want to further refine your connections. Go to Object, then expand to convert the blended object into individual, editable paths. Now, you can use the Direct Selection tool to adjust specific anchor points, giving you precise control over the shape. For a truly polished look, try the Smooth tool to refine any jagged edges or curves, ensuring your connected circles appear seamless and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.